Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. Now, whether you have an iPhone or an Android and you wanted to update your name in addition to maybe your username, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, just tap on the TikTok app, again on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. Tap on Edit right next to your name. Tap on Name at the top, and you can change your name to whatever you want. However, it does say on here your name can only be changed once every 7 days. After you've changed it, just tap on the Save button at the top right. Next, you can tap on Username under your name, and you can also change this. It does say you can change your username once every 30 days, and it does have to be unique. No one else can have that same username, whereas the name, you can have the same name as someone else. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.